Ammunition has the solution. Check out our selection of flamethrowers. We have a selection of hand grenades. And if you're fat and lazy to throw them, check out our grenade launcher. Pull the trigger and boom! Sign up today for your Ammunition Frequent Sniper card. Check a wad of American currency. No money, same as cash. Shoot now. Come by Ammunition and register. My airport card actually used when we whooped Australia's ass. This is the Ammunition Film Festival. Free screenings of the documentary. Ammunition, protecting you. Like hot shit on that commercial. Feeling nervous? Welcome to Ammunition. Don't forget the Ammunition Dangerous Species Barbecue each Saturday. Protect your home.